So I'm still sneezing, just a little bit every now and then. I'm sort of stuck in this need to sneeze feeling. Oh, to sneeze. I'll try and make them a little high-pitched girly. See if I can. It's not really how my natural sneezes, but it's experimenting. Since I have to sneeze so much, I might as well play around with them. It just keeps coming. I don't know what it is. I think it must be the dust from the air conditioning filter, but I just can't really seem to stop. Oh, it tickles so bad. I can just feel it tickling my nose. Oh man. Oh, it's definitely allergies though, because I'm not anything else but just the sneezing and my nose tickling. Sneezing again. Excuse me. Oh, bless me. Oh my god. Oh, I think this will work right now. Oh, this could be a big one. Oh man, it still tickles. Don't know if I can get it out. Might have to reduce this last one. No, just kidding. It's coming. Hold on its own. Oh, excuse me. Let me blow my nose real quick. I need a tissue. Oh god. It just still tickles a bit there, but I think I'm done for now.